Hi friends, so in this video what we are going to discuss is we are going to discuss about one simple application in Python. So that is calculator application. So this calculator application performs 4 different operations. All these operations are the basics one, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for this what we are going to do it, we are going to use 2 different concepts in Python. So one is the function and second one is the model. Okay, so during this application development, so we're going to get 2 different inputs from the user. One is the which are the values he wanted to perform the operation, and same time which operation he wanted to perform at that time. So both the inputs we are going to get it from the user, right? So we'll see that one by one, right? So for that, what I'm going to do it, I'm going to create 4 different programs, that is 4 different files I'm going to create. So one for addition, one for division, and one for subtraction, and one for multiplication. And also again one more program I'm going to create, that is a main program, that is a calculator program, right? So here these 4 different Python programs may used as a model for the main program, that is a calculator, right? Here the addition operation will be performed by this addition function in addition program, right? That is a separate one. Okay, so here I'm going to show you that 4 different programs I have created. So one for addition, and another for subtraction, and third one for multiplication, and fourth one for division. Also I have created the calculator program, right? Here first what we are going to do it, we are going to get the input from the user, that is which are the numbers he wanted to add or subtract, multiply, or he wanted to do the perform the division. Yes, only thing we are going to get the input alone, then we are going to verify that whether it will be working with the basic operations or not, right? So here I have created first one, I'm just here, you can see it in the screen. First one I have created the addition program, right? So this is the definition, right? Function, right? You can create it here, you can use the keyword def, then this is the function name, and after that I'm passing 2 different variables, right? Value 1 and value 2. Also this particular function will return the addition result, right? So if you want to call, and here you can see that this is how you can call, but I'm not going to call within this program. So I wanted to call this particular function in the main calculator program, right? So this is the first program, and the second one you can see that this is the subtraction program, right? It will return the subtraction value, right? Then likewise I have created the third one, multiplication program, and fourth one I have created the division program, right? So the division function also inside. This is how I have created 4 different programs I have created. But if I wanted to use it here in my main program, right? So for that, what I need to do it, I need to use the model concept. In this, how can I use the model concept in Python? So I need to use the keyword import, right? That is required. So with the help of import keyword, I can call the function, right? Main that programs, right? Addition program, then subtraction program, then multiplication program, then division program. I can import all those programs into my main program with the help of import. That's all. I can use the keyword import, and I can import all the programs I have created for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this is how I have created. Then I have called all these programs inside my main program, right? After that, I need to get 2 different values from the user, that is value 1 and value 2. So with the help with those values only, we are going to perform all the 4 different operations. Here I have called addition function, subtraction function, then multiplication function, then division function. So these functions are called from that particular respective program. Addition program I have called addition add function. Then I have called sub function from the subtraction function, multiplication function from multiplication program. So division function from division program, right? So we'll see one by one, right, how it will execute it, right? Here I'm going to give the execution. I'm going to execute the main calculator program, right? So now here it's executing, right? Executing it, asking you that please enter the first value. So I'm giving that first value is 10. Then after that it asking the second value. So second value also I'm giving that. So now my first value is 10 and second value is 5. So 2 values I have given. Now see that all the basic operations are completed: addition result, then subtraction, then multiplication and division. But all these operations are happening with the help of function in the different programs. So function in addition program, function in subtraction, function in multiplication, and function in the division, right? Exactly from that program, so these functions are called and it's performing the operation and it's returning the results, right? So this is how your basic calculator program is working, right? But what I'm going to do it here, I didn't get a second input from the user, right? So user wanted to perform which operation. So that particular input I didn't get it. Only values I got it from the user. We're going to modify the program. Says that user wanted to perform which operation, right? In simple manner, we are going to. Okay, so here I'm going to do some modification in this particular calculator program, right? Here you can see that I did some changes from the previous code, right? So previous code you may not seen this particular one, right? So this is the option user need to enter. So here I'm going to get the integer input, right? So it may be a 1 or it may be a 2 or it may be a 3 or it may be a 4 or it may be a 5. So 5 options I have given. So option number 1 for addition, option number 2 for subtraction, option number 3 for multiplication, option number 4 for division, and option number 5 for exit. So here, what is the disadvantage of in this option, in this particular if-else statement? Here only one time you can execute this program, but it may not go for a continuous. So every, after performing one operation, it won't ask you for what is your second operation, not like that. So it will be executed only one time. So now after getting this input, right, first one is user need to give the values, and second input is user need to give the option, which operation user wanted to perform. So that one is taken from the user. After that, we are using the if-else statement, right? If and else if, these statements we are going to conditional statements we are going to verify. So which option user is given, right? User is given that is value 1 or 2 or 3, 4 or 5, something like that. If the user gives the value 1, automatically the option will be verified with value 1, then it will perform the addition. If the value is 2, automatically subtraction will be performed. If the option is 3, the multiplication will be performed. If the option is 4, division will be performed, right? So this is how this particular code will be executed. This is the main calculator programs. Here you can see that I have created this addition, then subtraction program, then multiplication program, and division program. All these 4 programs have the different functions, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All these functions are there. Here I'm going to call the functions with the help of if-else conditional statement, right? So here I'm going to execute it, right? It's asking the first value. I'm giving the value as 10, first value, and second value it's asking that second value. Then I'm going to give the value as 5, right? Now here the calculator program is asking that which operation you wanted to perform. So here I'm going to give that 3, right? 3 is a multiplication. So automatically it gives you that multiplication value. So again, I'm going to clear it. So again, I'm going to execute this program, right? It's asking the first one. So 10, I'm giving the same value 5. Then it will ask you that which operation you want to perform, right? I'm going to perform the subtraction, right? So it gives you the subtraction value. Then again, I'm going to execute it, right? Enter the first value 10 and second value 5, and it asks you that which operation you want to perform, that is 1. So this is the addition operation, right? Then again, so one more time, there's the fourth operation. Again, it's asking first value, then second value, then which operation you want to perform, that is fourth one, right? So this is the fourth operation, right? So division also performed. Then one more is there. If you don't want to perform any operation at that time, you can try for fifth one, right? So here 10, 5, then fifth one. Then automatically it says that the completed. There is a end message, right? This is how a simple calculator program or application you can create in the Python using function and model concept, right? With the help of function and model concept in Python, we can create the calculator application. This will be the very basic, right? So in coming videos, what we can do, so we can try for the switch case, right? So continuously the calculator program will be executed. So every time user enters, is always the calculator program asks you that, so you want to continue or not? Yes, if I'm giving that yes, then it will go for which operation you want to perform. then like that it will go, right? Okay, thank you.